everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Hey Google on your Android phone. So just go to the top right, scroll on down and go to Settings. Then locate your Google services. So mine's on the top. On your Samsung, it's going to be scrolling down towards the middle. Now, when you're under here, go to All Services, go on down. And we want to go to where it says Search Assistant Voice. Tap this. Then we have a few different options under here. We have Google Assistant, Gemini. I believe we can go to either one of these, but I'm going to tap on Gemini. And if we scroll on down, we can see the different options for this. One is Talk to Gemini, hands-free. Say, Hey Google. And then we can just turn this on. So I didn't have it on before. Now, if this is your first time turning it on, you're going to have to match your voice to it to turn it on. And you got to say a few different sentences and it'll detect your voice. Now I can just say, Hey Google, and Gemini is going to open up, and that works fine. So you can see it right here, just turn it on. If we go to Google Assistant, this is what this looks like. And we can see the different options in here. So just go to Gemini, you should be able to turn it on under there, and then you got to do the voice match. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.